GT wins! Good day everyone, and welcome back to TMac FPV, your home for your journey to better FPV fun, flights, and racing stuff. For those of you that have been around for a while, you may recognize those scenes from the video last month, FPV Race Backyard Brawl 2018, when our lightweight 2-inch Diatone GTR90, or Little GT, beat the 5-inch quad Eachine Wizard, the Wiz, X220, in the epic race of the year. For those of you who haven't seen that spectacle, a pop-up will appear in the upper right-hand corner of this video, with a link to it for your entertainment. Well, after that race, Little GT's been feeling pretty darn spunky lately, and thinks he can move up in the weight class and join the big boys by strapping an HD camera on his back. I've told him I don't think it's a good idea, but you know quads these days, they never listen. So we're going to give him a shot at it and see how it goes. This ought to be good. It's fly time.
Oh,